If you own a cleaning business and you're looking to win back your customers, I just shared an excellent example on my Facebook page and also in my Facebook group, Cleaning Business Success. This came from an auto detailer that my wife has hired in the past. He texted us today and said, "Hey, it's Dylan with the auto detailer. We have a $10 off coupon this month and it's exclusive for our repeat customers. Wanted to see if you'd like to get on our schedule for a detail." I shared this on Facebook because I thought it'd be useful for cleaning business owners. I know a lot of people are not sending SMS campaigns. If you have a list of repeat customers and you have permission to text message them, sending out a message like this a couple of times a year is a great way to fill your schedule. I wouldn't do it every week. I wouldn't do it every month, but maybe 4 or 5 times a year or once every 2 months or something like that would be fine. And especially if you're just doing this for your repeat customers, people who've booked with you before and it's just been a while since they've been on your schedule. Maybe it's been more than 6 months or more than a year. You could filter your list just for those people and then send them a text message just like this. Now, to make this easy for you, I went ahead and added it to the BookCleaningJobs CRM. So if you're one of our clients and you have access to this CRM, or if you're a paid CRM user and you've got contacts in here and you'd like to text message them, then what you can do is you can go in here, select all of your contacts. Maybe you have 1,000 or 500 customers in here. Select all of those, hit this button right here that says send SMS. We're going to hit proceed. It's going to tell us that the CRM is going to send these messages out over a period of time. And that's just to keep your phone number healthy. You've got to have a phone number registered in here to be able to send SMS messages. I don't have one registered on this account. But if you've set up a phone number to send text messages from the CRM, then you can select the phone number right here. And you can either type a message similar to the one I just showed you, or I've gone ahead and dropped a template in here that you can just click and use. And this will pull in your customer's name. It will also pull in your name and your business name. And it says, "Hey, first name, this is Ruben with ABC Cleaning. We have a $10 off coupon this month exclusive to our repeat customers. Wanted to see if you'd like to get on the schedule for a cleaning. Thanks." So that's already built in here. You can just send this out and it will automatically fill in your customers' first names. You can send all of these out at once. You can send it at a scheduled time if you want to pre-schedule this and send it out the next day or the next week. You can send it in drip mode, and this will drip it out to a certain number of people bit by bit so that you're not sending out hundreds or thousands of text messages all at once. This might be useful to you. But for the most part, if you have a pretty small list and it's just customers that you've worked with in the past, and it's a few hundred people, or maybe even 1,000 or 2,000 people, you can probably send it all at once. You just have to hit this send SMS button and then the message will go out to everybody. That's it. I hope this is helpful. If you're trying to win back your customers, this is an easy way to do it. It does not cost very much money to send text messages. We're talking pennies per text message. There is a charge for sending text messages through our CRM, so be aware of that. When you send messages out, you will get charged a usage fee or a per message fee. And then if you're offering a $10 coupon or something like that, obviously that's a cost that you'll incur, but this is much cheaper than paying to acquire a new customer. If I had to pay a few cents to send a text message and then a $10 off coupon to win somebody back, that is a very low cost to win a repeat customer, to increase the lifetime value of that relationship. So I'd be happy to send messages like this a couple times a year to try to win people back. It would be very worthwhile, very high ROI activity, and really easy to do. If you don't have the Book Cleaning Jobs CRM, either become a client and we'll give you access to it, or you can go to bookcleaningjobs.com/CRM and request a free trial. And then you can register a phone number and start sending out SMS campaigns to your list. All right, if this was helpful, hit like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.